Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today super easy and quickly. Today we're going to make pork chops. Easy. Pork chops with some salad. Of course we need a nice beautiful pork chops. I'm gonna use some herbs, some fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, some garlic, half lemon. These pork chops, my butcher cut, I like that. They very thick. They are around 400 gram each. The very important thing, we put gonna be very hot pot. And I like without any skin. I like score little bit the fat. Later I show you why. They going in 10-12 minutes everything's gonna be ready. Okay? Now the first thing, I'm sorry for the noises now, we put fat down. My pot is very hot. Just like that. Without any oil, because this fat gonna become leak oil soon. Now, I'm sorry if the aspiration is on, but here start beeping everything. Now we cook this stuff around from the fat. I'm gonna leave around 3 minutes. And later from each side we're going to do 3 minutes. But when I move the chop, I show you, okay? Okay, you see? Nice. Pasta is already crispy. Now we put on side with seasoning with salt and pepper. If you want, you can do even before some black pepper. And that's it. Now we're gonna cook around 2.5-3 minutes per side. In the same time, guys, I will prepare a very nice sauce, very easy. Is with some soya sauce, because I want to make a little salad, but easy, super easy. But try, it's delicious. Put some soya sauce inside. This is gonna be just for me, Enrico, and Susie. Some honey, quite generous. Okay, it's gonna be sweet and sour and stir it and make very. This is already the sauce. Okay, because it's gonna be pork chops in soya sauce and honey. Okay, now we leave to cook a little bit more. I show you when I do the other side, and we make a little quickly salad. Okay? Okay guys, now it's time to turn it from other side. Always careful, it's very hot. One and two. And this time, look what I'm going to do. I have the garlic, it's gonna give flavor. Fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, and half lemon juice inside. Guys, you don't believe, but the smell is already amazing. And I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. And now I show you the salad. I can make it. Take a carrot, I peel it before, and just make something like this. Because this carrot and rocket I will make salad is absolutely delicious. Okay. Anyway, I don't want to be long. Do all carrot and add some rocket inside like this. So we're gonna season with soya sauce and the honey, couple spoon, and mix everything by hand like that. It's already super nice. You see? Beautiful. This is gonna be the salad, and the rest of the sauce, the soya sauce and honey, we're gonna use for chops. Okay? And now I'm going to finish this carrot. Almost the chops they ready. I'll show you when I have the butter on. Guys, the job is almost done. Now we turn it again. I add a spoon like this of butter, more flavor. butter gonna melt inside. It's done, guys. Oh, the smell is already super. Later up to you, depend on how do you like the meat. Medium, well done, this is personal. For me, 3 minutes per side, each side, is already too much because I have Enrico and my partner, they don't like very red. I like, but anyway, we're gonna find the point too. Couple minutes more, job is done. I'll show you when it's cooked. Okay guys, my pork chops, for me, they're ready for 3 minutes each side. I turn off, put it in the plate, and guys, I recommend you to leave them to rest around 5-6 minutes. If you like, cover with aluminum foil, and we see you later to try it. See you in 5 minutes. My chop, rest enough. 5 minutes for me. I'm hungry. I will try soon. I won't show you. Still hot, but I cut it on the bowl like this. No, on the bottom. It's perfect. Now, what I'm going to do, I some the sauce on the top. My pork chop is ready. Super soft. Look at that. It's perfect. The way I like. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com, and that's it. We cooking for our family. Always we do nice stuff quickly and tasty. This pork chop with this sauce, wow, it's so Asian, so like Japanese stuff like that. It's absolutely delicious. Anyway, guys, the pork chops in soya sauce with this salad is just carrot and rocket in the same sauce. Is this? If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.